a most sought after pattern of baby teen. So welcome mommies, welcome to Baby Teen. You are watching with me Nejunas, and this is one of our best sellers. I have already done this video in another color, so now I have an opportunity to show you the same pattern in a very beautiful subtle peach color. Full peach color we have used for the entire frock, both on front side and back side. Here when we get into detail, you can see we have made vertical pleats on the yoke area, and the skirt and the frock is made up of in a single side shoulder pattern. Here we have got only one side shoulder, and the side we have kept it open, so it will be very easy for you to make your baby wear, and your baby will also be very comfortable wearing this, because she can move very easily wearing this kind of pattern, this kind of one side shoulder pattern. And when we go to the skirting area, you can see a huge number of gatherings over here. We have used a very good amount of fabric over here, and we have made this skirting in different layers. Same color net fabric we have made in small gatherings, and we have made multiple layers over here, and this is of size 6 to 12 months. So if you choose a bigger size, you will get this number of layers changed. I mean the number of layers for each size will be changed, so that we can adjust the total length of the frock. Now when we move to the back side, you can see here on back side same pattern is carried out, same vertical pleats on the back yoke, but the difference is that we have kept a big bow, a satin huge bow we have embossed on back side, and same frills gatherings also we have made in back side. So this is all about the dress, this beautiful dress, and it is one of our best sellers, and we have attached a complimentary mask with this beautiful attire, and also I have now with me a beautiful headband, and I also have a beautiful pair of shoes with me, same flowers as of a headband we have embossed on these beautiful shoes. So we have shoes for the size 1 to 2 year and 2 to 3 year, and I recommend you to choose, if you want matching shoes or footwear for babies less than 1 year, I recommend all to choose a cloth shoes, so that we'll be making the cloth shoes with the same fabric as of the frock you select. So that's all about this beautiful dress, a pair of shoes, a headband, and a complimentary mask with this beautiful attire. So I guess your baby will be very happy wearing this, because she will be as comfortable as I said earlier. So that's all about today, and I will be coming with the next beautiful dress very soon. Until then, all mommies and babies, stay safe and do take care. Bye bye.